Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we just got on the ground about 5 minutes ago. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x20 in a charcoal blackout package. It's loaded out full of goodies. This one you guys can see does have that charcoal exterior with the black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom. This one's going to give you a full 7 wide by 20 foot box. You've got a nice extended triple tube tongue here, which is going to be great for you guys for having a better turning radius. This one is stock number 14677 and we have this one on sale at $10,977 plus tax. You've got a nice side door here, does come with a gutter, plus you've got double locks here with that RV lock and cam bar on that side door. This one is equipped with a power package, so you guys can see we've got an exterior GFI outlet right there. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes. These are aluminum wheels, and then you've also got the black diamond plate fender for your blackout package. This one's also insulated and has windows. We'll take a peek at that more in a second. You do have drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back here for you guys, so that'll be a nice option to have some extra stability when you're loading and unloading, or if you guys are going to hang out and camp in here. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door. Another really cool thing the Cargo Craft does for us, we've got this black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb right there, and you've got a nice big gutter over this rear door, plus LED strip taillights. I'm going to come around and show you guys this side here, and then we'll go inside. 7-foot interior height, so this unit's going to work great for most UTVs, side-by-sides, razors, that kind of a thing. You've got 4 D-rings here ready to go, recessed in the floor, 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front. Insulated walls and ceiling in this unit, and then you've also got the white vinyl ceiling liner, power package, plus an AC unit with a heat strip, and you've got the E-track already recessed in the walls. So pretty loaded out. Then you guys can see we've got these 2 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are tinted windows as well, and they're right across from each other, get you guys some great cross ventilation. Plus back here we've got a Maxx Air roof vent. This has that bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in on your stuff. Great lighting in this trailer as well. We've got 3 LED interior pucks here all along the side. These have little toggle switches on them individually, so you guys can turn those on and off individually. They're really bright, efficient little lights. We like those a lot. Then you've also got 2 of those 4-foot LEDs on the ceiling. So again, great lighting options for you guys. Looks like 3 interior outlets. We've got 1 here at the back, couple more up front. Oh, excuse me, 4. We've got 3 up front. So bonus there. Plenty of places to plug stuff in. Here's your 30-amp box with the cord. You guys can take that cord, pop it right through the floor, and then go into your generator or your shore power or campground or whatever you guys are gonna do there. Looks like we have about a 3,500-pound payload capacity, so plenty for a bunch of toys. Here's your AC unit with a heat strip. Light switches right here are gonna turn on and off your 4-foot LEDs and your little puck lights right there. Backside of this RV lock gives us this piece, which is that secondary lock. It's a deadbolt with a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. So nice feature there. We also have the nice polished, or excuse me, white corner trimmed out here with all of it on the ceiling. And then you've got the regular silver color here on the walls up to that finished ceiling area. And here it is. Oh, and most important thing, we've got the awesome nudo floor with Maxx underneath. This nudo floor gives us an amazing product on top, super durable, performs very well, and then underneath the trailer you also have Maxx. And Maxx is the product that doesn't absorb the water or moisture, so a much superior product to have underneath your trailer as opposed to a standard plywood. So all around awesome trailer, loaded out full of goodies. And as always, if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we would love to earn your business. Give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and be sure to like and subscribe.